Today we are learn about difference between C Sharp and .NET Framework and components of .NET Framework CLR. Now we are discussing about difference between C Sharp and .NET Framework. Most of the time interviewer asks the question about difference between C Sharp and .NET Framework. C Sharp is a programming language and the .NET is a framework. Using .NET we can develop web, Windows and mobile application. Using .NET framework we can develop web, Windows mobile application using C Sharp language. In .NET Framework support more than 30 plus languages. In that, 11 languages are developed by Microsoft corporations. And in that, there is more widely used language is C Sharp. Using C Sharp, we have write the functionality which we want to in our web application or Windows application. Now we are discussing about major components in .NET Framework. In that we have discussion about CLR. CLR is stands for Common Language Runtime. In CLR we can handle the functionality like handling exception, in program, also provide type safety and also provide memory management and also provide security. Using CLR, CLR provides ability to handle this much of problems. In next section, we are learn about demonstration of our .NET First Console application and the main method. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.